Oh my gosh, I love the waterfall ones.
Oof, oof, beautiful. Oof, oof.
Are you videotaping?
Yeah.
Oh, hi video. Poof, poof, poof. Oh, those ones look cool.
I love the ones that look like
That one looked like an
waterfalls.
exit.
I like the heart ones.
The red one looked like an exit sign.
Oh my god.
It's like exit that way now because I don't want to be seen.
Patriotic.
Where should I put this one? On my wrist or on here?
Where is it? Where is it? I lost it. I think I lost
Maybe
it.
your finger's on it.
Oh, there we go.
Your finger was on it?
Ah.
Rachel.
Oh.
Whoa.
Ah. Ew. Fire.
There's like so much smoke everywhere.
They're like the aliens in Toy Story. Oh.
You said that to Christina's too.
Thanks, tree.
Yeah.
Stupid tree.
Jump down.
Curse you, tree.
Right? Huh?
For next year, your job is to cut it down, alright?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my god.
That's my bucket list. Cutting trees down.